Good morning, children. How are you? Hope everyone is fine. So, today I welcome you again in this online video lesson and hope you will enjoy my class today. So, children, in the previous class, we have already learned about Neha's alarm clock, its explanation, the story, and we have also done the reading session. Okay, so in continuation of that class, today we shall take up the new words from the chapter. Okay, so let's see one by one. The first new word which we have to learn today is snuggles. Snuggles, snuggles. Okay, snuggles means to move into a warm or comfortable position, like moving into a blanket. Okay, like children, when you go to sleep, you climb your bed and then you crawl under the blanket. You go inside the blanket, under the blanket. Okay, so that movement is called snuggles, to move into a warm or comfortable position, like moving into a blanket. So you will know it more when you see this picture. See here, a cat is under the blanket and he is sleeping. Okay, so the cat is snuggling under the blanket. So the sentence which I've made is, cats love to snuggle under a warm blanket. Now the next word is windowsill. Window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window, sill, S-I-L-L, sill, windowsill. Okay, so windowsill means the bottom surface of a window. The lower part, the bottom of a window is called the windowsill. Okay, so this is a picture of a windowsill. So here the bottom part, the lower part which holds the glass and all, it is called the windowsill. See here, you can see some birds sitting on a windowsill. Okay, so this is the picture showing a windowsill, and on this windowsill the birds are sitting. Let's make a sentence. The birds are sitting on the windowsill. Sorry children, I have typed here will. It should not be will, it should be sill. Okay, I'm sorry. The birds are sitting on the windowsill. Next, number 3, mutters. M-U-T-T-E-R-S, mutters. Mutters means to say something in a very low voice. Okay, muttering yourself, whispering. Okay, whispering to your friend or saying something very slowly to yourself. Okay, like muttering to your friends. Yes, this is called muttering, mutters. Let's make a sentence. My mother muttered something in my ear. Okay, this is a sentence. My mother muttered something in my ear. Now, the next word is relax. Okay, so here, R-E-L-A-X, relax. And the meaning is not to worry, feeling calm and happy. Not to worry, feeling calm and happy. This is the meaning of relax. Let's make a sentence. A good sleep will relax your mind. A good sleep will relax your mind. Okay. Now, this is the assignment for today. So here you have to, what you have to do? In your notebook, you have to do this assignment. That is, you have to write down the new words, their meanings, and the sentences. First, you have to write down the date, classwork, Monday, chapter 2, the name of the chapter, that is Neha's alarm clock, and the topic should be new words. And here, one by one, you have to write down the words and their meanings and sentences. First one, snuggles, meaning to move into a warm or comfortable position. Sentence, cats love to snuggle under a blanket. Number 2, windowsill, the bottom surface of a window. Sentence, the birds are sitting on the windowsill. Number 3, mutters, meaning to say something in a very low voice. Sentence, my mother muttered something in my ear. Number 4, relax, not to worry, feeling calm and happy. Sentence, a good sleep can relax your mind. Okay, so this assignment you have to write down, copy down in your notebooks in neat and clean cursive handwriting. Okay children, so that's all for today's class, and we'll meet again in the next session. Okay, until then, have a good day, have a good time. Bye bye.